Now that you've connected the motion detector to your Ring alarm, let's mount it on your wall. Motion detectors watch for motion in a room or area. You can place your motion detector on a wall or in a corner. Make sure there are no large obstacles blocking the motion detector, and it should be mounted 2.3 meters high. This keeps it out of the way of kids and pets. And to avoid false alarms, make sure your pets can't reach it by climbing on items of furniture. And finally, make sure that the motion detector is not facing a heat source, such as a heater or a sunny window. This could also trigger false alarms. Before you mount the motion detector, you can use test mode to make sure there are no blind spots. When you've picked your location, you'll need to clean the area where you'll place your motion detector. This makes sure it will stick to the wall well. If you're mounting the motion detector on a wall, peel the backing of the 2 pieces of tape located on the back. If mounting it in a corner, peel the backing off the tape on each of the corners. Then, press your motion detector into place. Don't forget, if you have pets, make sure you use the app to set the motion detector to the lowest settings. For more information about setting up and using your motion detector, visit ring.com/help.